Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video I've made for you guys to get some idea of beautiful eye makeups. These eye makeups are ideal for party and for different occasions and events. I also request you viewers that to kindly rate this video from 1 to 10 that how satisfying it was for you to watch this all. Let me know down in the comment box below. These are some of the really gorgeous eye makeups that would go great with your outfit as well. Look at this water drop eye makeup, how amazing it is. Would you think about this rainbow makeup? Oh, look at this brown gorgeous eye makeup. These are some with beautiful flowers. All these eye makeups are really amazing. I would hardly recommend to you to just once try it. And how it go, let me know down in the comment box below. Look at the satisfying eye makeup, how beautiful. Look at the satin eye makeup, the ring, oh it's so gorgeous. Voila, look at this on top makeup, how beautiful it is. This butterfly gorgeous makeup. Look at these, it's so beautiful. Pretty flower makeup. Which one did you love the most? I think this is the most beautiful one. Wow, look at this. Look at this beautiful gradient. This green color, it's so eye-catching. Really fascinating makeup. Look at this gold leaf beautiful makeup. This deep sea green beautiful makeup. Look at this glitter with brown color. It's really amazing. Elegant stylish eye makeup. For more such videos, subscribe, share, like and comment. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.